Here I've got XOLO ERA for X, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer. Now tap on the more icon, which is 3+1 in the right upper corner, and then select settings. Click on call blocking, and here smoothly by tapping on add a number, you can enter the number that you would like to block. And then tap on block to save it. And that's it. From now on this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive any call or message from this blocked number. Then if you would like to remove it from the blacklist, just tap here and confirm by tapping on unblock. And this is it. If you would like to block some particular contact, for example Mickey, okay, so I don't want to call it. Let me open the contacts, pick for example Mickey, and then tap on the more icon, and here you can smoothly select block. And from now on this contact is blocked and this number will not be able to reach you. You can unblock it the same way, smoothly by tapping on more icon and then selecting unblock. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily block unwanted callers in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.